Hi everyone. Now we will start our second last topic of social media marketing tutorial, conversion tracking in Facebook. Tracking. Tracking is the word through which you can start tracking your users. And conversion tracking specifically in Facebook means tracking your conversion or tracking your ad to return of investments, right? Your spend and the return of investments. So even Facebook gives an opportunity to its advertisers to start tracking the users and start tracking the numbers actually from the website or from the app, just to have a transparency of the delivery mechanism, the delivery of the ad, and whatever the investments the advertiser is doing, the comparison between the Facebook advertising platform versus the reports or conversion tracking which is happening up from advertiser website or the app. So let's start. The Facebook Pixel tracks the website visitors action. So let's example somebody has interacted with your ad from Facebook and it got redirected to your website or app. So Facebook gives a small piece of code, which is a pixel, what we say is a small piece of code. You can embed that particular pixel into your website. So anybody, any user who clicks onto your ad and then moves to your website, the pixel fires. Once the pixel fires, it records that particular user into that bucket. By this, you can check that, okay, these are the number of users who have interacted with my ad and have shown an interest onto my website or app. By Pixel, you can track conversion that appear in Facebook Ad Manager and Facebook Analytics dashboard. So Facebook Ad Manager is nothing; it's just the platform through which you run your campaign, and Facebook Analytics is the reporting dashboard, which I will be covering in the next topic, where they can be used to analyze the effectiveness of your conversion funnel and calculate your return on ad investment. You can also use track conversion to define custom audience. So if you have seen my previous tutorials, I have said that how you have to build your audience. And if you're fresh, then this is the first suggestion that what we suggest to the advertisers, that start tracking your users if you are really new in the market. So that by that, so from that particular option, you can start building your own audience and you can do a remarketing to those users again if you are coming up with some different products or services. Now, you can also use track conversion to find custom audience for ad optimization and dynamic ad campaigns. Dynamic ad campaigns is again one particular type of campaign. I have highlighted this option into the course material as well. I would request the user to click onto the link and read what exactly the dynamic ad is all about. Once you have defined the custom audience, we can use them to identify other Facebook users who are likely to convert and target them with your ad. So in fact, if you see, by conversion tracking pixel, you can start building your own audience. You can make a lookalike audience for your future campaign, and the best part being that you will have a defined pool of audience. Now there are three ways to track conversion with the help of pixels. First one being the standard event, which are the action that we have defined that you report by calling the pixel function. This is applicable for all advertisers. At first, I would suggest that if any advertiser is fresh or even if experienced advertiser, this standard event pixel should be implemented into the website so that there is a transparency about the numbers of users that have interacted versus what is the Facebook Analytics report is giving. You really need to have these numbers handy just to analyze that how your ad or your campaign is performing. Custom events, which are visitors action that you have defined that you report by calling the pixel function. Again, the custom events over here means you want to only target those users who has clicked on to buy now or have clicked onto specific section of onto your website. So once the user takes an action, Facebook records the pixel file. You will implement the pixel onto that particular click, and once user clicks onto that particular option or button, the pixel fires, and once the pixel fires, it records that particular user that okay, this user has taken this particular action onto your website. Same goes with the custom conversion, which actions that are tracked automatically by passing your website referral URL. So if you're running multiple campaigns and you want to specifically attribute that who all came from Facebook, you can also do that by using, by manipulating the pixel and passing the values into your URL, the website URL, like www.xyz.com/UTM Facebook ID, and then you can define the IDs over there. So by this, the conversion tracking topic gets closed. Moving further with the topics, we are just left with reporting part, which is completely a self-based learning. I have highlighted all the types of reporting available in the next topic. Also, I have shown a navigation part, how to prepare a particular campaign within Facebook advertising platform. Also, as I've mentioned in my previous tutorials, that all the course material and case studies are mentioned in the below comment section. Would request the user to read and analyze the best campaign type, better for them, how to target the right audience, and if they have some questions or doubts, they can post into the comment section. I would love to answer those questions. Thank you.